EXQUISITEMAD.
You're watching Exquisite MAD. Auto detailing, a Ferrari 612 Scaletti. There was only 3,000 of these units produced worldwide. A little over 1,000 in the United States, and of this exact variant, there's less than 20. This car underwent hours of detailing. Correction. Topped off with Swiss Fax wax, imported from Switzerland. The results are most certainly exquisite. Interested in having your automobile or aircraft detailed, please contact Exquisite Auto and Aviation Detailing at 800-292-2341. That's 1-800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. And be sure to like and subscribe.